Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure BigCommerce AI workflows for product feed generation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your BigCommerce dashboard. Navigate to the store setup section on the left sidebar. Click on product feeds from the drop-down menu. Select AI workflows to begin configuring your settings. Click on the Create New Workflow button. Assign a unique name to your workflow for easy identification. Choose the trigger for your workflow from the options provided. Consider setting the trigger to activate when new products are added or updated. Decide on the format for your product feed, such as XML or CSV. Indicate the frequency of feed updates, whether it's real-time or scheduled. Set up filters if you want to include only specific products in the feed. Use tags or categories to streamline your selection process. Map your product attributes to the corresponding feed fields. Ensure accuracy by matching each field correctly. Add any custom fields that are necessary for your product feed. Preview the workflow to ensure everything is set up as intended. Save the workflow configuration for future reference. Test the workflow by running it to verify that the product feed generates correctly. Check the output for any discrepancies or errors. Make adjustments as necessary based on the test results. Once satisfied, finalize your workflow settings. Schedule regular reviews of your workflow to ensure ongoing optimization. Monitor the performance of the generated product feeds over time. Adjust the AI configurations as your product offerings change. Stay updated with BigCommerce features to enhance your workflows further. Implement feedback mechanisms to refine your process continually. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.